Welcome back to our channel Tech Talks with Singh.
Hi, let's review Motorola G54 5G today. It is priced at 15,999 rupees and comes in multiple variants. This phone is an upgraded version of G73. It is a great option for people looking to buy a 5G mobile phone under 20,000 rupees. Before we discuss all its features, we will request you to please subscribe to our channel and please watch the video until the end, as we will tell you the exact reasons why you should look to buy this phone and also why you may choose to ignore it. But, first, let's discuss about the design of the phone. The Moto G54 5G maintains the typical G-series plastic unibody design with a matte finish. It's ergonomic but slightly heavier at 192 grams, featuring an IP52 SPLAS-H resistant certification. Next, we will talk about the display. The phone has a 6.5-inch IPS LCD display with a 120Hz refresh rate, offering decent outdoor visibility but thicker bezels compared to rivals. It supports streaming in FHD quality. Then let's talk about the camera. It sports a 50MP primary camera with OIS and an 8MP ultra-wide sensor. It performs well in good lighting but has some limitations in low light. Let's find out about the performance of Motorola G54 5G. It is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7020 chipset. This phone performs reasonably well but may exhibit some stutter in real-world usage. It handles gaming and multitasking decently. Battery. The device boasts a 6000 mAh battery, offering impressive endurance but slower 33-watt charging that takes around 90 to 100 minutes for a full charge. Price. Priced at 15,999 rupees for the base 8GB RAM variant and 18,999 rupees for the 12GB RAM option, it competes with other smartphones in its segment. Reasons to buy Moto G54 5G. Multitasking and gaming performance are reasonable. Dolby Atmos-powered stereo speakers offer high-quality audio. The phone's battery life is excellent, lasting over a day. The camera performs well in daylight and is somewhat decent in low-light conditions. Clean user interface with minimal bloatware. Why not to buy Moto G54 5G? Charging speed is relatively slow. Only 1 year of promised software updates, less than some competitors. Display bezels are thick, and blacks are not as deep as AMOLED panels. Real-world performance exhibits occasional stuttering. Limited software features compared to some competitors. Final verdict. The Moto G54 5G is competitively priced and offers good audio, decent performance, decent camera capabilities, and above-average battery life. However, its software update policy and charging speed are areas of concern. So, we have come to the end of the Moto G54 5G review. Please let us know in the comments section how you liked the video, and if you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, as it encourages us to bring more such tech content.